What's up, everyone? Today, guys, we're going to show you how to connect this front mount snowblower to this Bobcat CT1025 tractor or a CT1021 tractor. So the first issue that we've got is the bumper is in our way. We have to take the bumper off. 24mm wrench or socket if you have an impact. Alright, save the bolts. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to slide this underneath the tractor. I got this 2x4 to help me line things up. Slide it under there like that. And I'm going to keep sliding it up there. Gotta be lined up just right. Alright. Start the bolts. Again, you don't have to have this, but it helps. And the last step for the frame is to hook up the PTO. You have to kind of pull back on this ring, then she slips right on. That's it. Four hoses get hooked up to the loader port. First of all, run it through these loops, this loop. Now these are all color coded to match the colors on the loader joystick control valve here. Make sure you get the order right or it'll be backwards. Last of all is this pin. Just put in through the frame to secure the snowblower to the tractor frame. Saw how the snowblower was attached to the tractor. I'm just going to run through the steps again in the reverse order on how to take it back off. The first thing I do is I generally start the tractor and relieve the pressure on this one pin here that holds the snowblower onto this frame. I'll take this clip out, and sometimes you need a hammer and gently knock the pin out. Once I have the pin out, I'm going to shut the tractor off. I'm going to wiggle the joysticks to relieve any pressure in the hydraulics. I'm going to disconnect the 4 lines, throw those back over the snowblower, reach underneath and pull the shaft off, and then you can simply back away from the tractor or from the snowblower. Once I've got that done, I'm going to take the frame, take those 3 bolts and the nuts off, take that frame back off, and if I want to, I can put the front bumper back onto the tractor. And that's it, guys. So hey guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't seen our other videos on how to set up the front end loader or the mid-mount mower, check those out up here in this corner.